Hello everyone, today we are learn 1 to 20 number draw and color. So let's start. Blue color, yellow color, white color, orange color, light green color, purple color, sky blue color, red color, dark green color, peach pink color, brown color, pink color, and black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's paint. Red color. Number 1. Orange color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Light green color. 4. Sky blue color. 5. Blue color. 6. Black color. 7. Peach pink color. 8. Dark green color. 9. Purple color. 10. Red color. 11. Orange color. 12. Yellow color. 13. Light green color. 14. Sky blue color. 15. Blue color. 16. Black color. 17. Peach pink color. 18. Dark green color. 19. Purple color. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Bye bye. Sky blue color, white color, orange color, dark green color, blue color, brown color, yellow color, light green color, purple color, red color, peach pink color, and pink color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Red color. E for airplane. Orange color. B for butterfly. Yellow color. C for cat. Dark green color. D for dog. This pink color. E for egg. Black color. F for fingers. Blue color. G for goat. Light green color. H for hen. Sky blue color. I for island. Purple color. J for duck. Red color. K for kite. Orange color. L for lion. Yellow color. M for mango. Dark green color. N for nose. This pink color. O for orange. Black color. P for pencil. Blue color. Q for queen. Light green color. R for rainbow. Sky blue color. S for sunflower. Purple color. T for tiger. Red color. U for umbrella. Orange color. V for van. Yellow color. W for watermelon. Dark green color. X for X-ray. This pink color. Y for yo-yo. Black color. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Bye bye.